What's going on YouTube? Working on a Mercedes-Benz 2004 cl500. The problem is the ignition switch will not turn with the key in, and so we went ahead and just made sure the key fob is working, which it is. It's got the signals coming out from the tip of the key that you can see on the camera of your phone when you look at it. And we checked the fuse box. It says supposed to be a fuse box on the side of the instrument panel on the dashboard, but there isn't, because it's actually up front on the SAM module. And so our findings for why the key is not turning is we actually have a burnt SAM module. So if we take a look, let's see if I can show you the corrosion in here. Right there at the top of your screen. Let's see, there's a little bit more right there on top of your screen. And on the bottom of the screen, kind of like right dead center. Right there, got a little burn action, a little chip on that chip. And got a little bit more burn action there. Take a look at our terminals. A lot of water damage, a lot of water intrusion into this module. So we are going to go ahead and get this replaced, and hopefully this will take care of our issue. From the outside, the fuse box, this is what it kind of looked like, or from the SAM module. You can already see just the amount of corrosion buildup going on all over that thing. So I feel that cleaning this at this point would not really suffice. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. So if you guys are having a problem with your key and nothing powering up and it doing some intermittent on-off of the instrument cluster and things of that nature, you may want to check under the hood on the driver's side fuse panel. Thank you.